Thank you again for joining me on another journey. We're just outside Capitol Reef National Park in Utah. So I found a old structure. I believe it's a old grits mill, and I just wanted to show that to you. Look at the horses in the pasture. I can't get too close of it because of this little creek here, but the scenery is magnificent. So guys, sit back and enjoy the journey. Figured I'd show you guys this canyon. Absolutely amazing. Driving down the road and I found some pretty cool old cabins. Not really sure what this thing is. They obviously did not use a level to build it or it's falling down. I'm not sure which one, but it's pretty cool. Then got this old cabin over here. Sorry about the wind. Down here in these canyons, there's not much you can do to avoid the wind. Yeah, check this out. That's pretty cool. I wonder what year it is. You know, I'm always trying to find some old relics and some ghost got a travel tip for you. When you come out to Capitol Reef, we're here at the end of March. I know I'm posting this a little bit later because it takes me a while to edit. I don't actually know anything about video editing or filmmaking, so bear with me on my bad skills. All I am is a travel adventurer. So my suggestion is to bring plenty of different clothes with you because the weather is changing quite rapidly. This morning it was 18 degrees. It's noon. It's about 55 degrees now. But we're expecting 4 to 8 inches of snow tonight. So definitely prepare yourself for any type of weather. If you come out here in the summer, it's a scorcher. So bring lots of water, bring extra camel bags. That way, and don't forget your hiking boots, obviously. Hey guys. So yesterday, a ranger at the ranger station said that this national park is actually known for their pies. So we're gonna go check out this national park pie and see if it's as amazing as she says it is.
Thank you. You guys have a good day.
It's an ice cream.
You got what?
Ice cream.
Oh.
Yum. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Is it cold enough for you? It's like a tunnel in here.
It is.
But it's actually windier out there.
You sure you don't want another bite?
Yeah, that was way too sweet. Not good.
Mm. The crust is good.
The crust was good. Light and flaky.
That's important.
Yeah. I'm surprised it actually was really good. I thought the ranger was, you know, like just BSing us. You know?
Oh, see, I believe you.
So I don't think of a national. I think of national park government, like school. Did you have anything at school that was good?
Well, maybe it's because this used to be this. You know, this is orchard land, and this used to be owned by.
Do you think
people.
you think they really grew the peaches here? I mean, I don't know.
Probably
do peaches
not
grow
anymore.
in this?
There was a sign in there that says cherries, apples, and peaches thrived here, and that's part of why it's called Fruta, the area.
Oh.
you know.
Look at you, smarty. You read all the signs.
No.
So we found this cabin on the side of the road. Looks like it's made out of some rock and stone. Like they had actually cut the rocks and then mortared it together. So guys, we're here at Chimney Rock. Hopefully the wind's not so bad that you can't hear me talking, but it's a beautiful view out here at Capitol Reef. We'll go ahead and give you a little panoramic of So I found this old tractor on the side of the road. Not really sure what it does, but it's kind of cool looking. It's got a conveyor belt inside. Not really sure what they're harvesting. I'm guessing it's for the orchard, because that's what these are, is an orchard. So we're here at Benda's Curry Pizza Palace. It's a new restaurant that's just outside Capitol Reef. It's taking a total twist on pizza. I mean, they have traditional pizza here as well, but we're gonna try some curry pizza and see what it's like. Something a little different. So come to Capitol Reef, check it out.
Yep, yep.
Yeah.
The high school is called Wayne High School.
The high school's called Wayne High School?
This is all for the Wayne High School Badgers.
Well, what is that? That's just Wayne County, right?
Yeah.
And we're in Bigman? Bigman?
Where?
Bignell.
You keep making...
Whatever, I just make up my own thing. We're in a little town called Bignell in Wayne County with Wayne.
Awesome.
Awesome. Oh, look at that.
So this one is curry pizza. That's a honey curry. The Berg.
This is the honey curry and the curry. Okay.
Oh.
And look at that. It's got fresh jalapenos. Thanks.
All the toppings.
Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. See cheese do that? That's real cheese.
Very nice.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. There you go.
Thank you. Oh, this is so good.
Right?
You're the owner of the...
Yes.
What's the name of the restaurant again?
Benda's Curry Pizza Palace.
And okay, so Benda's Curry Pizza Palace, and we're in Brinkman, Wayne County.
Bignell.
Bignell.
See what it does?
I just make up my own stuff. It's okay. So, tell us why you decided to come up with something different for pizza. This is definitely a twist.
Because we always have the same pizzas all over and over. There's a pizzas on every corner, pretty much.
Right. Pizza Hut,
every town.
whatever. Yeah.
Then I was in Vancouver. Then I was in New York as well. Then they had a curry pizzas and it was on a non-crust. So that's where I actually came the idea.
They made it with non-crust.
They made it with non-crust, and we do make it with non-crust as well.
Okay.
So then they put some spices on the top and just to have flavor into it. So then I came with it then with actual sauce.
Yeah, just to sweeten the
Yes.
spicy and all
Yep.
that. Yeah. I know the vegetables are super fresh.
Yep,
The
we chop
cheese.
we chop it right before you goes around the pizza.
Yeah.
That's why our pizza takes about 10-15 minutes to make it.
To it. And the cheese is amazing. I mean, it's like real
It's
cheese.
100% natural cheese.
Yeah.
From whole milk.
From where?
Whole milk.
From whole milk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of like a,
So all you vegans out there, this isn't going to work for you, even though we've got.
we do have it. We got tofus for vegans.
Yeah. Okay.
We got tofu.
Yeah, but they can't use the cheese. You have something
Yeah,
with
yeah.
cheese.
Well, we just sprinkle tofu on top. But with curry sauce, you don't really need a cheese.
Oh, so okay, never mind. I take it back. Vegans, come on over here. Check out the curry pizza without cheese, but with tofu and
Yep.
with the curry sauces. You'll enjoy it because the toppings are super fresh. I'm starving, and
Good.
this is totally hitting the spot. I appreciate it.
Good.
Thank you so much.
you.
It doesn't taste like.
This is good.
It doesn't taste like Indian food. Like I'm not imagining I'm eating Indian pizza, right?
You're just eating something different.
I'm just eating a different spectrum of pizza. It's so good.
Oh my gosh, this is really good.
Daddy. Oh, not far, over this way a little bit.
No, that's good.
You're peeling the eggs. So what? Okay, so help me out. Why are we throwing Easter eggs down the hill?
Because that's what you do on Easter. That's a tradition around here. Small town tradition.
It's a tradition. So.
This is what you call rolling Easter eggs on
Rolling
Easter.
Easter eggs.
And if they don't break, you get to do them again and again and again.
So you don't actually eat the eggs. You just throw them down the hill. Oh my God, that one completely came apart.
I did this when I was a little
Look at that.
kid. My parents did it.
That's absolutely amazing. I've never heard of this.
Daddy!
Then you do a butt slide to get them.
This is like the best ride ever. Okay, Maddie, we're at the bottom.
Okay, come pick them up.
Okay, Maddie's picking them up this time. Because I have to empty my shoes.
You gotta empty your shoes. Look at all those Easter eggs. Now, just to let everybody know, it's not Easter, it's the end of March.
St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, it is, it's St. Patrick's Day.
Patrick's Day.
Okay, but it's not a St. Patrick's tradition, right?
Oh no, no.
Easter tradition.
It's an Easter tradition.
Okay.
They just won't be here for Easter and didn't want to pass it up.
And that must be Grandma.
That's Grandma.
Okay. And Grandpa?
Yep.
All right, that's neat.
All right, gather up your eggs.
So what started this tradition? Do you actually know anything about it?
I have no idea.
But they've been doing it as long as you can remember?
As long as I can remember, and I'm 70 years old.
Wow.
So you did this when you were a kid?
On the same hills.
Florida.
Same hills.
So I
Yeah.
don't
Love it.
Yeah,
know if that's why.
So you've lived here your whole life then?
I have. Yeah.
Nice.
Right.
There's an eggplant tab, a cup of dirt for good cheer.
Right?
Okay.
Wondering if I should try a butt slide.
Absolutely.
I'm thinking so.
I don't die.
Yeah! So this is the view from my hotel room. We're staying at the Noor. It's off season since it's the end of March. So we got this room for 70 bucks a night. I'm sure if you come out here in the summertime, in the height of the actual busy season, you will find that this is probably closer to $200 a night. Just guessing. But it's a nice and clean room, and it's got a beautiful view. Sunset point, and as you can see, the sun is pretty much non-existent. Oh, there's April as well. The sun's almost non-existent. We're hoping that we're going to get some good light for at least a couple minutes if that storm just breaks for a little bit. But if not, it's not that big a deal. So it's just awesome to be out here. This Capitol Reef, I'll be honest with you, it is well underrated. I can't believe you don't hear more about this park. This park is absolutely just as amazing as Bryce or Zion, Moab, or Arches National Park. You know, so far, every national park that I've ever been to has been just totally breathtaking. So if you get a chance, even if you don't live out here on the West Coast, you know, go ahead and check out a national park near you or national forest and enjoy the day.
Couldn't make it across, huh?
What's that?
Couldn't make it across?
No, I could if I skirted around
Yeah,
that way, maybe some.
I was watching you.
Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this journey through Capitol Reef National Park. It's been a fun episode. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you don't, please don't give it a thumbs down. I can't afford it. I don't have enough subscribers yet. But go ahead and hit that notification button. Send it off to a friend that you like, that maybe you journey with. And don't forget, thanks for living life. To the car, and we came across this magnificent canyon. Figure I'd show this to you. I know I said goodnight and said thank you for watching, but had to give you one last glimpse of this beauty.